Very good evening, all of you. I welcome all of you for this session. I welcome all of you. In this session, I would like to explain a concept called order of magnitude, one of the important concept in recent times. In many exams, at least two questions are going to be asked based on this order of magnitude. It is a pure maths concept. Okay, order of magnitude in simpler words I will try to explain you. Just order of magnitude is nothing but if you write like 10 power minus 4, minus 4 is the order of magnitude, the value of power 10. The power of 10 is called order of magnitude. If you write 10 power minus 3, what is the order of magnitude here? 3 is the order of magnitude. Okay, so in simpler words I explained you, order of magnitude is nothing but power of 10, power of 10. And just now I explained you what is the order of magnitude, nothing but power of 10. And also just look at here, if you write down like this 232.145, this decimal value should be after first non-zero digit. This decimal value should be where? It should be after first non-digit. That means this digit, this decimal should be here, 2.32145. It has to move after first non-zero digit. Suppose you are having like this 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and here the value is 0, and it has to be where? After first non-zero digit. So this has to be here. So what is the value? 1.2345. Okay, and if this point is moving in left direction, if it is moving in left direction, you have to take plus. If it is moving in right direction, you have to take minus. You have to take minus. And also that power of magnitude must be greater than 0.5 and less than 5. These 2 points are very important. The value of order of magnitude must be greater than 0.5 and less than 5. Okay, and the decimal point is moving towards left side, you have to take plus. If it is moving in right direction, you have to take minus. Okay, so let's take a couple of examples. By that easily you can understand. This topic is very simple. Easily you can crack any type of problem here. Let's take first question. So this is the first question. Okay, here 0 is there, but this 0 should be where? After first non-zero digit. That means it has to be here, 4.32, because this is the first non-zero digit. 4 is the first non-zero digit. Here 0 is there. So next to 0, next to 0, next to 0, and then after 4, that is non-zero. So it has to be move towards right direction. It has to be moved towards which direction? Right direction. Okay, right direction. In this way, so this point is going to be moved towards 1 2 3 4. After 4 values it is going to be moved. So the order of the magnitude must be minus 4. Minus 4. If it is moving towards right direction, what I told you, take minus. If it is moving towards left direction, What I told you, take plus. That's why this point is moving towards right direction. That's why I'm taking minus. After how many values it is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 4 is my order of magnitude. Order of magnitude. So in that way you can write a 4.32 into, and order of magnitude is what? 10 power minus 4. Okay, you will write order of magnitude in power of 10 only, na? In power of 10. That's why I have written. But directly you can say what is the order of magnitude is means minus 4. Directly you can say. If they ask you to write the complete equation, this is the complete equation. This is the complete equation. Okay, that is the answer for first question. And also in second question, just try to look at here. 0 point is here. It has to be moved towards first non-zero digit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has, the point should be here. The point should be there. Okay, how many values it is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4 values it is moving. In which direction? Right direction. Right means what I told you? Minus. So what is the order of the magnitude? Minus 4. Minus 4. If they ask you write the complete equation, the order of the magnitude 2, complete equation is equals to 2.82 into 82 into 10 power minus 4. So this is the order of the magnitude. Order of the magnitude must be written in power of 10. The power of 10 is called order of magnitude. If they ask you what is the order of the magnitude, answer is minus 4. If they ask you write the complete equation, this is the complete equation. Okay, I hope it is clear. And let me move for one more model here. And can anyone tell me what is the order of the magnitude for this question? Can anyone tell me what is the order of the magnitude for that question? Third question, please. Try to comment. Try to comment. Okay. In this question, the point value should be moved towards left direction. Left direction, because the first non-zero digit is here. Where? 2, after 2. How many values it is moving? 1, 2, 3. 3 values it is moving. In left side. Left side means what you have to take? Plus. How many values it is moving? 3. So what is the order of the magnitude? Plus 3. Plus 3. If they ask you write the complete equation, you can write like 2.54 into 10 to the power of 3. So this is the complete equation, and the order of magnitude is plus 3. Order of the magnitude, in simpler words I can say, you have to move decimal point either in left direction or right direction. If you are moving towards left, it is plus. If you are moving towards right, it is minus. The decimal value should be after first non-zero digit. Okay, here this value should be moved towards left hand side, because the first non-zero digit is here. So I will put here, this decimal point is here. How many values it is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values it is moving in left direction. That means plus. So write the complete equation. Order of the magnitude is plus 4. Okay. Write the complete equation. 3.1 into 10 to the power of 4. This is the complete equation. Okay. Very simple. I explained you in simpler way without going any complicated definitions and everything. Just try to attempt questions like this in simpler way. You can do that. And next one is, next one please. Next one, point value is here. It has to be moved towards the right direction, because first non-zero digit is here. So you will be writing like 5.32. Okay, how many values it is moving? 1, 2, 3 values it is moving. 3 values it is moving. In which direction? Right direction. Right means what I told you, minus. What is the order of the magnitude? Minus 3. Minus 3. Okay. And what is the equation here? What is the equation? 5.32 into 10 to the power of minus 3. But here one problem is there. What is the problem? This is not the complete and correct answer. Okay. The order of the magnitude will be greater than 0.5, lesser than 5. But here the value you are getting is 5.32. That means it is more than 5. Okay, when you have 5, 6, 7, 8 like that, just to do plus 1 here, plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1, nothing but minus 2. So what is the order of the magnitude is only minus 2 only. Okay, up to 4 values, if suppose the equation like this, 4.32 into 10 to the power of minus 3, directly you can say what is the order of the magnitude? Minus 3 directly, because the value is 4 here. If it is 1, 2, 3 and up to 4, you can write directly. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, just try to add plus 1 for the order of the magnitude. Plus 1. Plus 1. Okay. Now, the correct answer is what? The correct answer is what? 0.53 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Minus 2. This is the correct equation. Okay. Not this one. This is the correct equation. When you have the values 5, 6, 7, 8 like that, just try to do plus 1. Okay. One more question for you. Here, the decimal value should be moving towards the right direction because the first non-zero digit is here. So you will write like 7.623. How many values it is moving in right direction? 1 and 2 values. So what is the order of the magnitude? Minus 2, because right direction, na? Right direction minus and 2 values minus 2. But this is not the final answer, because here you are having a 7 point something. 7 point something means more than 5 now. 5 or more than 5 means that you have to do plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, nothing but what? Minus 1. Okay, this is the correct order of the magnitude. So you can write like 0.76 into 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay. And also next question, let me move for next question here. And in third question, we don't have decimal values here. That means the decimal value in the last place. In the last place. Okay. So first non-zero digit is 6 here. So it has to carry, this point should be here, 6.03 like that. So how many points it has to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values it has to move. 6 values. In which direction? Left direction. Left direction means plus. How many values? 6 values. So you have to write a plus 6. But this is not the final answer, because you are having 6.03 more than 5. That means do plus 1. 6 plus 1 totally 7. So what is the order of the magnitude is 7. Or you can write 10 power 7, whatever. Okay. And one more question here. One more question here. So point value is here. It has to move in left direction. How many values means 1 and 2. So you will be writing like a 6.78. Okay. How many values? 2 values totally. But it is moving in left direction means plus. And the value is 6.78. That means more than 5. That means you have to do plus 1. So what is the order of the magnitude is 3. Or otherwise you can write 10 power 3. Okay. One more question here. So here the value is moving towards point is here. It has to be moved first non-zero digit here. Left direction it is moving plus. And how many values it is moving? Only one direction. That means only one value. Okay. But Here you are getting 9.7 something na, so you will be doing like +1. So what is the order of the magnitude? 2. One more question here. So here also 0 is point is not there, so in the ending point should be there. So it has to be first after first non-zero digit. Okay, so here it has to be 2.31. So how many values it is moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values it is moving. In which direction it is moving? 6 values in left, so +6. There is no need to add +1 because here you are getting only 2.31 only. That means lesser to 5. There is no need to add +1. Okay, some more questions here. Some more questions here. Just look at there. Just look at there. 2 point. They are giving you directly equation here. 2.23.92 into 10 to the power of 4. They are only giving you order of the magnitude. What is the order of the magnitude? -4. -4. But this is not the final value because we have the value here. So this decimal value should be first after first non-zero digit. So this value should be here. 2 point. Okay, in which direction it has to be moved? Left direction. Left direction. How many values it is moving? Only one value. That means left means plus, only one value. Okay, and here order of the magnitude is what they are giving? -4. So what is the correct order of the magnitude? -3. -3. Order of the magnitude -4 they are giving you, but here we are changing one extra, one value we are moving in left direction. Okay, so what is the order of the magnitude is -3, not -4. One more question for you. One more question. Here this is the value. What is the order of the magnitude they are giving you? -2. Right as it is, but this point is here. It has to be moved towards after first non-zero digit. First non-zero digit means 2.35. Okay, how many values it has to be moved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. 6 values it has to move. 6 values. In which direction? Right direction. Right direction means -6. Okay, so -6 and here -2. Totally -8. What is the order of the magnitude is? -8. Okay, one more. One more. So what is the order of the magnitude? +5. +5. And this point value should be moved towards first after first non-zero digit. First non-zero digit is here. 9.31. Okay, how many values it is moving? 2 values it is moving. In which direction? Left direction. Left means plus. And also we are getting what? 9.31. 9.31 means it is more than 5 na? So you have to do +1. So totally 3. For this value 3, and here the order of the magnitude is 5. So 3 plus 5, totally 8. Totally 8. Okay, and the next question, look at here. Here point is not there. Point is not there. So in the ending point it will be there. It has to be moved towards after first non-zero digit. So first non-zero digit is here. Okay, how many values it has to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. 5 values it has to move in left direction. Left means what? Plus. But here you are getting a 9.87. That is more than 5 na? So you have to do +1. Totally 6. And also here the magnitude of the order of the magnitude they are giving you -28. So what is the correct order of the magnitude? -22. -22. -22. Okay, and one more question, let's see. So what is the order of the magnitude of seconds in a day. In a day, totally, how many seconds are there? In a day, how many total seconds are there? In a day, totally, how many seconds are there? In a day, totally 24 hours into 24 hours means how many minutes into 60? And seconds means into 60 again. First, hours can be converted into minutes, minutes can be converted into seconds. So 0000 and 24 6 the 144, 144 into 6, 144 into 6, so 600, 600, 240, 24, totally 4 6 8. So how many seconds are there means 86400, 86,400. I hope you know all this. In a day, totally how many seconds are there means 86,400. 86,400. Total seconds are how many? 86,400. But here what they are asking, what is the order of the magnitude? Okay, order of the magnitude means point. Here point is not there. That means in the ending point will be available. It has to be moved towards after first non-zero digit. First non-zero digit is here, 8 point. So how many values it has to move? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values it has to move. In which direction it has to move? Left direction. Left means what? Plus 4. And also the value is here. 8.64 is there. That is more than 5. That means you have to do plus 1 again. So 4 plus 1 directly 5. What is the order of the magnitude means? Answer is what? 5. Okay. In this way, easily you can attempt this type of questions, students. Try to observe them carefully. Try to observe them carefully.